Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we got a good one for you. We're gonna limb some stuff up, we're gonna rip out some dying plants, and we're gonna put a whole bunch of fresh sod. Enjoy the show. All right, do you see this big tree right here? We're gonna put it on a diet. Whoosh. Slim fast, Matt version. And as you can see, she's getting no sun exposure, but that's why she doesn't have any grass. So the job today or the next few days is to limb up all of this to get some great sun exposure. We're gonna churn all this up, cultivate it, put some fresh topsoil on it, rip out all the Indian Hawthorns, and replace it with some sunshine ligustrums. Got some limbs knocked down. I'm gonna go run and get the claw. You babysit my guys, let me know how good they do. All right, I don't know if y'all are as tired as I am. Whew, that was a lot of work. All right, let's check out what we've done. We got all this. Ooh, it's looking good. Got a couple little scragglers right there to get. That one's got a couple little scragglers. And then that one's got a couple scragglers. Can you see how much just opened up this whole property? You know what? Rachel, rewind it. Show them what it looked like. Bing! Alright. Now that's what it looks like. Oh yeah. So now we got enough sun exposure. Now we can put some sunshine ligustrums back there. We also ripped up the Indian Hawthorns. We're gonna replace them with the vibrant yellow sunshine ligustrums. Next day or two, we're gonna churn all this up, put some new topsoil in there, some fresh St. Augustine, and call this one a job. All right, phase 2, we've got plenty of sun exposure. Now it's time to cultivate and prep all the area for sod. We've got some fresh topsoil coming in, some of these lower areas. It's gonna be nice. All right, I'm going to start cultivating and prepping this area first. That way we can have it done. Basically everything that was killed when it had all the low-hanging limbs and bad sun exposure. All right, waiting for the sod to get here. Went and picked up our sunshine, but as you can see, in these backside where those old Indian Hawthorns were, we're gonna put 4 of these sunshine. These are the sunshine ligustrums. This will get a lot more yellow. It's starting to get there, but it gets that real vibrant yellow. And then during the off season, it goes down to like this almost lime green. So it's that easy, low maintenance color that brings out the color in your landscape, but isn't something that you have to change out all the time, so. All right, while my guys are installing those 8 sunshines, now you can see we've got all the dirt placed around where it kind of needs to be. Now I'm gonna put the cultivator back on and go over that last one time, get everything on the slopes and grade that we need. And my guys are gonna go over with the rake and then we're gonna start slinging some sod. Time for a little top of the ladder talk. As you can see, we've got everything churned up in our area around here. Got it good and cultivated, got everything looking nice. Now, we got all that dirt and we're gonna start filling in low spots, filling in spots around the tree. Anywhere we need to put some dirt and give it that nice last rake, then we'll start putting in some sod. starting to lay on the small side. We're gonna finish it first. We're offsetting each one with a half whole piece. We're gonna work our way out that way, water this one, work our way out that way. Then we're gonna put some nice fluffy pine straw in the flower beds, install those sunshine ligustrums, call this one a wrap. Got everything completed there. Did a nice straight line there. Work this way, and we're gonna fill in that way. All right, this one's coming together, and then we're gonna get us some straw. All right, all the sod is in. We're giving it a good hose down, getting it good and saturated. We came around this side with the pine straw. I've got to install 4 more sunshines. We've got that whole side done. My guys are gonna do the pine straw on this bed first. While I put those sunshines in, we're gonna call this job a wrap. As you can see, it turned out really nice. Got it all up to the tree. We're gonna put the sunshines in and then put some nice fluffy pine straw. So it's just gonna be green to that red pine straw. All right, let's sling some more. Woo! That was a good one. I think everything turned out well. Got all the pine straw nice and rounded. Everything's got fresh St. Augustine sod. It's either green grass to just nice fluffy pine straw. Sunshine ligustrums in there. Sod looks great. Watering it down, getting it taken. Pine straw, we trimmed up everything. Everything looks neat, nice. Call that one a wrap.